Arcade Fire. This is the main chord progression. I think the song begins with just the E, but then they go D, D, A, D, F sharp minor, E, D, D, A, D, F sharp minor. Of course, I'm doing syncopated strumming, so kind of like a down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Like 1, 2, and 3, 4, and so you're kind of like just doing some down strums, and then you're doing 16th notes, 4E, and that you can mute. That's 4 strums, down, up, real quick. So yeah, it's kind of like you hit the chord and then you do that 1E and then you hit the next chord, do 1E and again, next chord, and so forth. Okay, that's lightning 1. I'm going to do lightning 2. I'll put a link in the description.